Hello. Don't be scared, honey. Come out. Isn't she cute? Come show me. This is our duckling. And here comes the cockatiel. Baby cockatiel is there. And when he grows up, he won't be like his mom dad. And here it is. It's the snow male and the Saloni female. Right back, Snow. Hey Snow, are you angry? And there's his baby. Let's have a close look. Baby. How are ya? I don't know why he seems like that. And female Saloni and the male Snow. Okay, they are not so hand-tamed. Let's get back. Now the Indian ringnecks, the green pair. Okay, the male one, this is the male, and his name is Bittu, and she's the female, and her name is Pari, which means a fairy, I think, whatever. Okay, and it's ready to go. Okay, here comes the parakeets or budgies, or Australian parrots. Have open look. This is the biggest one here. Right here, this one. This is the American. See, and all other are. And can you believe all other babies are born at my own home? Just have a look how much they are in number. And they are just from 3 pairs. I just love this one color because it's so unique. I have 3 like that. Okay, I'm leaving. There it is. There are the ringnecks and the, I don't know what, the fishers, I think so. I have a close look to these 4, 1, 2, 3, 5 crocodiles and zebra finches, but they are pied or. And here is also the cut finches. I don't know what the hell they're doing in, but there are cut finches. I hope you don't know about much cut finches. Okay, 45 seconds to go. Zebra fishes and the unique lovebirds. Yeah, I got the name. I'm close to lovebirds. And these are awesome. This color is so yummy. And the 4 crocodiles. That's it.